Hi, my name is Luke Pruitt. I'm a 15-year-old blacksmith. I've been a blacksmith for about 2 years now. I saw Forged in Fire on TV and thought I want to make the knives, and so I started making wood knives and then was starting to look for classes so I could try and make them out of steel. I took a blacksmithing one-day workshop about 2 years ago. Then after that, it was just a lot of books and YouTube videos and trial and error. And that's mostly how I learned. I enjoyed doing it because it's a fun hobby. One, it allows me to hit things with a hammer, and it's just fun to make stuff. So for the S-hook, I draw the material out to a point. And then I round the material off, hammer a spiral onto the end, and then I bend it around a jig, which allows me to make multiple the exact same way and dunk it in water to cool the steel and harden it. I'm thinking I'm going to try and make it into a kind of a side job with welding as my main career.